In this video, we are going to see how to fix Valorant not launching, not opening or not starting. First step, open up Riot client, click profile icon, click settings, this page will appear. Click Valorant, scroll down, click repair and start repair. Wait for some time, it's actually verifying your game file. Once complete after it will throw up the message successfully repaired. Click OK. Next step, right click Riot client, click properties, click compatibility, enable run the program as administrator, click apply and OK. And the next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it, click allow app features through Windows Defender Firewall, click change settings, scroll down and search for Riot client and Valorant. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not having means you need to click allow another app in the bottom side, click browse, go to C drive, Riot games, Riot client, you get the Riot client application, go to Valorant, you get the Valorant application. Add it. After adding, click OK in the bottom side. Search for run and type the following text: percentage local app data percentage. Type it and click OK. Scroll down and search for Riot games folder. Click it. Click the Riot client folder. Delete the caches. Click the Valorant folder. Delete the caches if present. Close it. And the next step, search for run and type the following text: services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down and search for VGC services. Right click, click properties. The startup type should be in automatic or manual, it depends on you, but the service status should be in running mode. Once completing, click apply and OK. And the next step, open this PC. Right click C drive. C drive have enough memory space. If not having means sometimes the error will occur. Right click, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Successfully completed. Close it and restart your device. Thank you.